Hi dears, have you all finished your assignment in My Studio book and companion book? If you completed, then it will be easy for you to prepare for periodic assessment test 1 in chapter 1. Prepare well thoroughly. A point represents position. Particular place is mentioned as a point which is defined by a letter. So we call a point which specifies the position always. Here we have 2 points A and B. If we connect these 2 points with a line, then it is called line segment. A line segment which has starting and ending point, which means a line segment has end points, 2 end points. A line segment has 2 end points. Line segment can be written as AB. Above the letters you have to draw a line without any arrow mark because it has end points, right? Line segment has end points, so you have to draw a line like this above the 2 letters. If you write in this format, this is called line segment AB. A line segment which has 2 endpoints AB, but a line which has no endpoints. In both the ends of a line segment, if it goes on continuous on both the direction without endpoints, then it is called a line. A line which has no endpoints, then it is called a line. A line can be written as DC. Here D and here C. DC. Above the letters we have to draw a line as like this with double-headed arrow mark. If we write in this form, then this is called line DC. Ray can be written as AB with single-headed arrow mark. If we write like this, then this is called ray AB. Always you have to draw a line with single-headed arrow mark to represent a ray. As we have seen in line has no endpoints on both the directions. But a ray which has one ending point and there is no ending point on opposite side. A ray which has a starting point and does not have a ending point, which goes on continuing on one side. To say how many line segments are there in this figure, in this shape, let me start from A point, go in anti-clockwise direction. A to B is a line segment. B to C is a second line segment. C to D is a third line segment. D to E is a fourth line segment. And finally E to A is the fifth line segment. So totally how many line segments are here? 5 line segments are there. You have to write it as AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. Always you have to write the line segment in the particular shape which should be in anti-clockwise direction. Hope you all have understood. Anti-clockwise direction. Don't forget, while writing line segment you have to mention the line segments in anti-clockwise direction. If you want to see the videos of chapter 1, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos of chapter 1 in playlist of this channel. Thank you my dear kids.